Most people will tell you to save your money, and I agree, but that's only half of the story. This is because once you have built an emergency fund and you're investing consistently, there are things you should spend money on immediately. And I don't see this as expenses. I see this as investments that pay you back with better health, more time, higher income, just better quality of life. So today I will share with you 10 things I would happily spend money on again and again because they've given me some of the best returns I've ever received. The first thing I would upgrade is convenience. As your income grows, your time becomes more valuable. You need to stop trying to do absolutely everything yourself. If outsourcing a task gives you back 3 or 4 hours every week, that's not an expense, or it is buying back your life. And this could be hiring a cleaner to come once a month. It could be paying someone to edit your videos like I'm doing, or getting your groceries delivered to you instead of you spending 2 hours at the supermarket. One of the biggest mindset shifts that wealthy people make is that they stop asking, how much is it going to cost? It's expensive. And they start asking, how much time does this save me? Your time is one of the few things you can never get back. So you have to protect it. It's one of the smartest investments you can make. The second thing I would spend more on is experiences. If you ask people about the happiest moments in their lives, they won't talk about buying a television or a designer bag or something. They will talk about holidays with families, that surprise trip, that solo trip, watching their child achieve something special, or just spending a weekend with, old friends. Research by psychologist Dr. Thomas Gilovich at Cornell University found that experiences create more lasting happiness than material possessions because they become part of our identity and create memories that improve over time. So you should start asking, what memories can I create? Those are the purchases that often become priceless years later. The third upgrade is your health. Your health through exercise. And this could be gym membership, it could be paying for swimming lessons, fitness classes, or simply just investing in equipment that helps you stay active. Your body is the one investment you will carry for your entire life. And exercise doesn't just help you live longer, it improves your mood, your energy, your productivity, even your ability to think clearly. A study published in the National Library of Medicine found that there is irrefutable evidence of the effectiveness of regular physical activity in the primary and secondary prevention of several chronic diseases and premature death. It goes on to say there is a linear relation between physical activity and health status, such that a further increase in physical activity and fitness will lead to additional improvements in health status. So you see, this is definitely one to upgrade. Number 4 is your nutrition. And this is one lesson I have learned personally. I remember buying vitamin code supplements for the first time and thinking, oh gosh, these are expensive. Then I realized I wouldn't think twice about eating out or spending it on something less important. And yet I was there, hesitating to invest in my own health. And you see, that thinking just changed my mindset. We should buy better food, eat more whole food. If your doctor has recommended, supplements, don't go about looking for the cheapest option simply because, it's cheap. Good health is far less expensive than poor health, and your future self will thank you for making that investment today. Number 5 is giving more to charity. I like this one. As your income grows, your generosity should grow too. Money is a tool, it's not a destination. We will not carry it to heaven. One thing I've noticed is that giving changes your relationship with money. It reminds you that wealth isn't just what you own, it is also the lives you can improve. And research from Harvard Business School found that people who spend more, helping others, they report greater happiness than people who spend the same amount on themselves. So giving doesn't make you poorer. I always say this. In many ways, it just makes your life richer. So give more. Number 6 is your education. This is probably one of the highest returning investments you'll ever make. Buy that certification. Take that course. Attend that conference, learn AI, improve your communication skills, study investing. The world is changing too quickly to stop learning. According to the World Economic Forum, nearly half of today's workforce will need new skills over the coming years. And this is because technology is changing the workplace so fast. Every new skill you acquire increases your earning potential and gives you an edge. It gives you opportunities that didn't exist before. Okay, going to number 7. This is your hobbies. Yes, this one surprises people because we've become so obsessed with turning every hobby into a business. But not everything has to make money. Sometimes your hobby is just what protects your mental health. And this could be anything. It could be photography. It could be painting. I love to paint. I painted that. Yeah. It could be hiking. It could be learning an instrument. It could be anything. Hobbies just helps reduce stress. And you see, the funny thing is most businesses started as hobbies, but even if yours never earns you a penny, it's still a worthwhile investment if it helps you enjoy life more. Number 8, your workspace. You see, one of the best purchases I've ever made was a second monitor. It doesn't sound exciting, but every single day it saves me time. I can compare documents side by side. I can research while I'm writing. I can work more efficiently. I never thought a monitor, something that small, can improve my productivity every single day. And for me, that's an incredible, return on investment because I didn't get to do more. Don't underestimate the power of creating an environment that helps you do your best work. Number 9 is subscriptions that genuinely save you time. I said genuinely. Don't subscribe to every app under the sun. But if you use a tool every day that saves you hours every week, pay for it. I've had to upgrade some of my work subscriptions because it helps me work faster, brainstorm ideas, research topics, It helps me structure, content and solve problems much faster than I could on my own. Finally, number 10 is buying back your time. This is really the lesson behind every point on this list. Money should give you more freedom, more health, more learning, more generosity, more time with the people you love the most, not just stuff. The biggest mistake people make after earning more money is upgrading things that impress strangers. I would rather upgrade things that improve my everyday life than improve things that makes other people's opinion of me, different, because it really doesn't matter. Wealth for me is not about looking rich. It's about living well. It's about having the energy to enjoy my children, the freedom to choose how I spend my day, the knowledge to earn more, the health to enjoy the money that I have made, and the ability to help other people along the way. If you love this video, you will love my video on the fastest way to multiply your income, and I'll see you there.